Hey, Batman is one of the most human-like superheroes who has no inborn superpowers. He built his superpowers by working on himself, be it his body, mind or spirit. He designed an ideal and he strived to become that ideal. That means, if you and I tried harder towards an ideal, we can become Batman too. Batman is nothing but a man who has superpowers like an agile body, a sharp mind and an unbreakable spirit. But unlike in Batman stories, we are not fighting the demons outside. We need to fight first our inner demons to become Batman. The most haunting inner demon is procrastination. Let's explore how Batman fought procrastination. Psychologist William J. Noyes estimated that more than 90% of college students procrastinate. Similarly, a high percentage of working professionals and entrepreneurs also procrastinate. Bruce Wayne, the protagonist in the Batman stories who later becomes Batman, struggled with procrastination. Instead of confronting his reality and doing something productive, Bruce Wayne escaped to parties and alcohol. Humans think procrastination and laziness are the same. Laziness is by choice in most of the cases. Lazy people don't really want to do great things and don't want to make an impact with their work. While procrastination happens because of strange reasons. Procrastinators dream of growth and making an impact in the world, but fail to act on it on time. Procrastination leads to distractions. Distractions lead to inconsistent action. All these cripple our progress towards greatness. But how Batman has overcome his procrastination to become his ideal version. Batman transformed his vengeance to hope. Batman transformed himself to a symbol. He knew a man with flesh and blood is destructible, but as a symbol of hope, he can be unbreakable.
It's a symbol. It's a symbol that can be incorruptible.
So the question is, how can a common person like you and me can be a symbol of hope? Hope, by definition, is a feeling of trust. We need to first trust ourselves that we can be our ideal versions. Also, we need to build trust in the world to believe in our mission. In order to do this, we need to work on something first, which is have crystal clear clarity on our purpose on this earth. Batman knew his purpose was to fight injustice. He lived for it and even sacrificed everything else. Now, how do we find clarity on our purpose on this planet? Everyone says, go deeper in your mind, write on a paper, follow these steps and those steps and all sorts of self-help stuff. But here is an unconventional idea. Just like Bruce Wayne did, you need to take a planned break from your current environment. Take a break from your current realities and especially from your digital life. Here are some practical steps. Step 1. Travel to a very calm and peaceful destination with beautiful nature. Step 2. Put your phone away or switch it off most of the time during your stay there. Step 3. Magically, you will start seeing clarity towards your life purpose during this detox period. Step 4. Come back and start working towards becoming that person who can help you achieve that purpose. The whole point of this video may not be about becoming Batman, but becoming an ideal version of you whom you always wish to become. In order to do that, have that clarity towards your life purpose and entrust yourself and build trust in the world so that you can do it faster than you think. To paraphrase Batman, it is not who you are underneath, but what you do that defines you. So go ahead and start acting on the things you believe in. Who knows, you can emerge as a symbol of hope in your field. See you soon. Until then, stay rightly productive towards your dreams.